we are going to start with this section in here. In this case will be this pink bar in here that will be at the bottom. So we are going to go to fireworks and we are going to zoom in inside the elements image. In this case, we are going to create the pattern that we are going to be using. Let's click on the crop tool and we are going to make a selection in here and all the way in here. Let me increase the size in here. Then we are going to double click, and if you notice we are going to have this image. What we are going to do is going to modify, then canvas and canvas size. In here we are going to add the size to 300 and we are going to click down here 0, then clicking here, and we are going to copy the image. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Down here 60, and as you can see we are going to be able to have this pattern in here. One more time, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. 120, there you are. And as you can see, if we zoom in, right click magnification 100, that will be the pattern. So let me click Ctrl C so I can go back to the original image right there, and let me zoom in. Then with the pointer tool I am just going to make a selection, and with the crop tool we are just going to cut this image in here right there. Okay, let me right there. If you notice, I am just matching the dimensions so I can crop the image itself right there. Now the next step, we are going to second up PNG 32 and then Ctrl Shift R, which will be the same as exporting the image. This name will be bottom pink bar. Click save, and the next step, we are going to go to the administrator and log in. Let's go to extensions and module manager. Now something that I did not change on the last video was the template details .xml, but I am going to be showing you that on the next video. Let's click on new and then custom HTML. If we go back, you are going to be able to see this text in here. So we are going to copy. Let me write down Candylicious offers the finest baked treats and candy anywhere. Treats and candy anywhere. And in the world. In the world. Let's go in the world. Okay, and we are going to wrap, let me see, we are going to use an H2 element. You can use any element you want, H2, and we are going to click, well, let me select the position, and in this case will be the pink bar position, and Ctrl V. The title will be bottom pink bar. Let's click on save, and we are going to go back to the home page, and if you notice, we are not going to have anything down here. But let me click refresh and see what happened. And if you see this one in here, you are going to be able to see the name all the way to the right, and that will be because we will need to clear the floating elements inside this Joomla template, and especially inside this division. So let me show you what I am going to do, because we just create all this HTML markup. Okay, we will need to clear all this division. Let me copy this, then we are going to go all the way to the bottom and start in here inside the footer. the hashtag, and then the ID. We are going to open the curly brackets. Inside there we are going to use the clear property and the both value, semicolon, control S, and we are going to go to the CSS, right click and upload, click OK, and refresh. There you are. Now the name, the module, will be in the right place.